So, hi, good morning, everyone. This is Mohit here from UnoTag. I am an engineer by profession and product guy by passion. I lead product and sales at UnoTag and glad to be connected with everyone here. I hope everyone is safe, everyone's family is doing good, especially people in India. So, now about UnoTag and what we do. So, do you know what's happening these days? Ross is hitting his quota, Joey is hitting his quota, Phoebe is hitting her quota, and that's unusual. What's happening? Why is everyone completing their quota and everyone is hitting their numbers? So the secret is not luck or long hours here. Secret is UnoTag. And what is UnoTag? UnoTag is a sales performance and commission management tool that helps teams to be more focused, motivated, and hence productive. So we are a tool which sales reps and sales ops and revenue operations teams use to manage their commissions, manage their incentives, gamify their incentives, and hence become motivated to complete their metrics. There is a change before using UnoTag and to using UnoTag. Before, your rep was not engaged, your commission statements were not clear, your commission policies were not clear. It was difficult to create those complex commission structures and incentives, and there was no such fun element to your reps journey in completing their targets or goals or their quotas. But after UnoTag, when reps are damn happy, they are fun and engaged, and putting data onto their CRM is not an headache anymore, especially for inside sales. And that's what UnoTag does. It gamifies the journey of data entry, it gamifies the journey of incentives, it gamifies the journey of commissions, and hence it becomes easier for you to track and kind of motivate your sales reps. So less about talking from now. I have told you what the product does, what the tool is all about, and how it's used. We are right now live in more than 5+ countries. We have customers in US, India, Singapore, Indonesia, and it's used by majorly SaaS companies, sales reps, where they track every metric of the sales rep, kind of give commissions and incentives based on that. Have contests like cricket and Super Bowl and basketball between teams to motivate them and keep them engaged. There's a social feed where you can recognize amazing behavior of your reps. And of course, there is the whole ecosystem has mobile app and web app, so everyone is on it any time of the day. So we are an addition to your CRM. We make your CRM more successful, and your sales reps will surely enjoy being a part of it. I would like to share a demo of the product while we go about here, go about the product, and I'll just do that. So as I told, we have 3 products. One is into sales commission. Using this, the admin or the sales ops leaders can create commission quota plans for their reps. Very complicated quota plans are possible using a no-code rule builder. There are a lot of templates as well. And this is how it looks like. You can view your calendar, you can see your earnings, your goals, your personal goals, and even some light-hearted quotes to keep you motivated. So the major function of this is plans, which the admin can create, and plan would be template based or a new commission plan builder. So suppose let's say revenue of 10 lakh is the goal for certain participants in of X product. You can just create it simply, name of your plan, and that's it. You can have single rate, multiple rate, accelerated bonus payouts, all sorts of bonus payouts to help you, what you normally would have done using spreadsheets or such tools. And it's damn easy to create plans on our platform. So as soon as you create it, the plan is done. The sales user can track their earnings, how much they have completed, how much is the monthly quota, the quarterly quota, what do they have to do to get that? They can forecast the pipeline that, okay, if they complete all the goals, what happens? The sales pipeline SPO can be calculated from here, saying that, okay, if I close 33% of my deals, I complete my target. The dashboard, as I said, you attainment would give the deals and what's happening with their deals right now. And of course, they can be part of teams as well as individuals. That can be commission based on teams, that can be commission based on individuals, and everyone of that sort. So it's a simple tool for both sales reps and sales ops, revenue ops teams. You can create commissions and payout structures. And the sales reps can view it simply on the mobile phone or on the web app. So we are integrated with major CRMs like HubSpot, Zoho, Salesforce, and we are getting live on their app stores as well. We have an integrated document where the sales reps can sign their document regarding the commissions which have been agreed by the company. So this is the sales commissions which can be easily created using our platform. The second is goals and challenges and missions, the gamification part of it. So you can kind of create goals and competitions and leaderboards for your teams. So primary goals, challenges is what you can create using our platform. What a goal would mean here is, suppose there are some quota based incentives, but there are some out of the quota and commission structures which you want your sales reps to do. So something like that, complete 100 demos in the next 2 weeks. That's your goal for the next 2 weeks. And if you do that, you get this as your incentive, or you get 2 Fridays off, or any kind of incentive to make him value that goal or make him value that challenge. So it's very easy to create a goal as well. You just select the people who will be there. You choose what metric you want. So the metric is revenue, and the target is 10 lakhs, and you select the participants for whom the goal will be available, and it's done. So it's quite easy to create a goal here. And challenge would be a combination of goals. So we kind of have route journeys for people to get on those challenges. So for example, your challenge is revenue of 10 lakhs, but it would be a combination of 4 to 5 submissions or goals. And you can just select a challenge, create a new challenge, and have many milestone based or smaller goals inside that. So that's about challenge, where you kind of try to give mega rewards to people to achieve their metrics. You can check analytics, what's happening with your every goal, how many users are participating, how many users are doing good, and things like that. Competitions is if you select a metric, it's a competition between two people or two teams to come higher on the leaderboard. So you can select a metric like number of calls to customers, and just if you have 20 reps, divide the 20 reps into teams of 4 or teams of 5, and let them compete on the number of calls made to customers over a period of months, and just see who is performing how, who is getting better, and what's that healthy competition doing to your sales teams. So we are in all a sales team motivation, where you kind of track, analyze, improve, personalize things like goals and missions. You can give a lot of badges. It does not have to be monetary incentives. You can give badges. The avatar of the salesperson can improve as he keeps on completing more and more goals. You can give awards like, okay, you are a star player of the team, or you're a star performer of the team, and create leaderboards. You can create leaderboards related to what's the order of X product, what's the order of Y product, and things like that. So this is on the front of goals, missions, and challenges which you can create for your sales rep. The third would be contests. So what contests does is it is specifically gamification in the area of competition. You can organize a lot of contests for your sales teams and reps, and even customer success call center teams. What we can do by this is, as we all know, there are some reps who are very high performing. There are some reps in the middle who are higher quantity they sometimes achieve their targets, sometimes don't. And then there are landlords who normally are not achieving their targets for a long period of time. So contests would help you get everyone inside the system, incentivize everyone for some of their activities, and keep them motivated. So if I give you an example on one of the contests which we have done with a customer, so for every 10 demos or 5 demos which are done by a sales rep, they get a raffle ticket. Something so in the customer's case, we are giving them a playing card, and for every 5 demos, you get a playing card. And at the end of the month, there will be a poker draw. So everyone who has cards, they have to show that up, and whoever wins that poker draw wins the incentive of that month. By this, what you're doing is you are incentivizing smaller rates of growth. It's not that you have to achieve 10 lakh in revenue only then you get a part of it. By this probability based events, you are kind of incentivizing the medium and the lower tail of your sales steps who do not achieve quota normally to still be engaged that, okay, I have a chance of winning it. I just have to do maybe 15-20 demos and get good cards. So something like these kinds of contests are normally done. If I give you more explanation, we have theme based contests. So something like Wimbledon, basketball, football. And what happens with that is Wimbledon is a one-on-one contest. You select a metric that, okay, this is the revenue or this is the number of demos which has to be done. Everyone then starts doing that. Everyone starts earning points for it. They get a rank for doing it. And then they get some special awards and prizes like, okay, that was a super serve, means that day belonged to this sales rep. He did some amazing activity that day. Or best newcomer. If normally ramp time is what is given to sales reps to kind of get used to the functionalities of the product. You can give an award of best newcomer. See the rank of, okay, who's performing how. This Abhishek who's better on weekly basis, on monthly basis, and select the metric as well. So all such kinds of contests can be created and viewed on the web app. You can have goals contests and even spin the wheel, like spin the wheel, and if you get a spin the wheel ticket after every demo you do, and you can get some good benefit out of it. So yeah, this is how it looks. Your profile would tell you complete overview of how many contests you have won, how many contests you have participated. So we are kind of making it a sports-like experience where you enjoy being part of it, and that's what normally happens with sales reps. They should be engaged in the process of it. And for sales ops leaders and CXOs, it becomes a tool to analyze complete behavior of all their sales reps and get first-hand information. This is the page of recognition where you kind of can post photos or award-winning prizes or things like that among your team so that they know, okay, what's happening with everyone inside their team. So the 3 pillars which the product of ours works is incentives, recognition, and contests. So you incentivize people, you incentivize on their commissions, goals, you recognize people, you appreciate them for their effort, and you help contest. You have contests between teams and individuals to kind of create that competitive environment. So yeah, in a nutshell, this is what UnoTag does, and I wanted to take some time into explaining explaining how this is helping to a lot of customers, not only in India but elsewhere as well. So we have close to 75, 80 odd customers using our entire tools, from sales commission management to sales performance management to even sales contests and revenue generation. What's happening there is our overall stats have figured that there is an improved productivity on the metric you're tracking by at least 30 to 32%. 32% is the average throughout all the sales reps which you have worked with. And there are a lot of different kinds of metrics which are tracked. So an account executive is a different metric which is tracked. SDR is a different metric. Even CXO in some cases uses our platform for himself in terms of commissions and incentives which get out of the company performance. So a lot of metrics like number of calls, number of demos, what's the pipeline coverage, what's the activity ratio, how many emails, how many messages, how many inbound emails, how many outbound. So every data which normally you would be tracking or you would be tracking for your salesperson through your CRM, through new age tools like Outreach, Salesloft, and even the video call recording tools. So any kind of data which you would be tracking from the tools is normally integrated with our platform, and then there are contests and commissions running around it to kind of help that user focus on that part. So if a sales rep has a funnel and he's great at taking demos, but he's not able to close those, then you automatically, our system suggests as well that, okay, this person's sales funnel is looking very good at the middle. There is good sales qualified lead to demo ratio, but the demos to closure ratio is very low. So it's only 1 in 100. And what you have to do is try to make him work harder on that front, not just create more and more demo and deals. So that view is available to you where you can design incentive programs specifically for the people who are involved. There can be generalized ones as well, and there can be specific ones as well. You can kind of make it team based. So these kind of things have caused a lot of what do you call engagement, fun, activity among everyone. We are trying to make this product on a product roadmap. The next thing would be sales enablement. So we would give reps and admin a Duolingo kind of experience where learning things about the product and about the company and the culture should be as fun and gamified as possible. So you have a repeated set of questions or repeated set of quizzes which are fed in by the content team of the company. And a user can just select ABCD and try to get a score better or try to achieve some medals doing that. So the complete sales stack is what UnoTag will be doing. Sales enablement and training, sales gamification, sales commission. So this becomes a performance management and an answer for all the teams throughout the world, be it in any vertical. So I would love to talk with any one of you as to how we can help your sales teams build some great plans. We do a lot of consulting in terms of what will try to motivate your reps or what commission structures are normally used in your industry and how you can use the same in your application as well. So yeah, this is about UnoTag.